is cake, one of the green finger from across the world, and there is some interesting finding concerning orchids. I would like to make a video about it. Just one little spoon of alcoholic-based substance, such as wine, beer, and because alcohol, like wine, are actually bacteria, is one of the super bacteria found on Earth. They could be a great help when handling orchids. So this is, well, you might not feel comfortable with these techniques, but it works. I try to introduce my three little beauties here. They are the same plants that has been shown earlier. This little guy is having a flower and blooming. You see it there. It's quite strong. I still use the rusty waters to water it. Also, this little one here is also having its flowerings, and this is the weakest ones of them all. Sadly, one is missing, and this is the way of life. I have only three with me. The missing one is here. Well, plants are like humans, like us. They have some character that they do not. Sometimes they just give up, sadly. But well, so let's carry on. And actually the use of the super bacteria. Funny, the alcohol. One type of alcohol we call it spirit. So I'll try to explain how this technology works, or how this biology works. Well, I need some space to capture this filtration unit. So this is the enclosed filtration unit. If I try to catch it in the light, you see the layer in this enclosed. It unlike, well, it's not what you think, that one end of water flowing in and the other end water flowing out. No, this actually is closed unit, that there is no inflow and outflow. So you see the layer here for this filtration unit. This is the hardware. Well, this is the actual device of the filtration unit. At the bottom I have soap. Then I have charcoal and fine sand. It's actually three layers. The salt is used to reduce the harmful bacteria to the lowest possible levels, and this is a great filtration unit. Then if you apply it to the right place, I might go over where I would apply this filtration unit, and it's a surprise. When I have time, I will go over it. So this is the actual natural wetlands. This is how actual. It's very close to the biology of how wetland is how wetland operate in nature. However, this enclosed filtration unit has one thing missing, is the super bacteria. Unless you introduce the right bacteria into this unit, otherwise it works not. The bacteria could be introduced with humans with human input such as wines, beer, and alcoholic-based drink, and different types of alcohol would do, because the fact that they are a living bacteria. So I did a little experiment, and I poured a teaspoon of wine straight to the potting mix right there, and right there, just a little tablespoons of it monthly. The result is quite positive. They love it, and the progress has been very encouraging, because this is the first time my orchids have flowers, and actually I have a closer look at this guy's stick. It is quite strong itself. So next time you might want to give it a go if you run into these types of orchids for the first time in your lives, and you would have some idea of how they may be kept alive if you are in experience of handling orchids. So I wish you all have a very nice new year, and may the green plants be a little joy in your house, and I will catch you later.